Hi everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today from the thumbnail, from the title itself, you all must have come to know that this is a review video from this particular brand. This is Stay Quirky, their upgrade range. I will be talking about this product in detail, and definitely this is not only the review video, because definitely if you check on YouTube, you will get a lot of reviews for this particular product. But what is the twist is I will be comparing it with this all products. You all can see I will be just comparing it with this all products. Okay, but before moving ahead with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, you can even ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. Now let's begin with the video. And yes, I forgot to tell you, if you want to become friends with me, definitely do follow me on Instagram as well as on Facebook. The links will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that as well. Now let's begin with the video. First is we will talk about this product. This is the Stay Quirky Love Beating line. Okay, it is the Love Beating. They have come up with the new range, or maybe the new line. Okay, it is this packaging. It comes with this kind of quirky packaging. Okay, this is Love Beating lipstick pencil. The name is little bit like you can be confused whether it is lipstick or whether it is a pencil. Okay, but it is a combo of two in one. It is the lipstick as well as it comes in a pencil form. So that is why you can see the packaging. If we talk about the MRP is 299 rupees. But during sale times, as I always tell you, you get on very good discount. The shelf life you'll be getting is here 4 years. Okay. In this, they have a lot many nude colors. That is what I have seen. I have observed. But for me, they have 2 to maybe 3-4 shades only in darker range. Otherwise, all the other shades, what I felt was nude. But I never wanted to go for nudes because sometimes nude colors are little bit tricky to walk it along with, right? So what I always feel is like darker shades are always better. So the shade which I got is this Wedding Night 1. Okay, this is the shade Wedding Night 1. Okay. If we talk about the actual packaging, this is the actual packaging. This is the Stay Quirky. You can see here. Okay. The size of this lipstick is, you can say, it is almost equivalent to my middle finger, a little bit bigger. But actual size, if we talk about the with cap and all, then definitely bigger. But if you talk about the actual size, it is with like my middle finger. Okay. This is the actual package, like the cap. Each and every detail you all can see over here. Each and every detail is given on this particular packaging itself. It comes in this kind of wooden pencil form. Alright, so this is the thing. This doesn't come with any kind of sharpener. Now what we will do is I'll just swatch this shade here, and then we will see whether we will keep it for some time. By that time we will check, compare it with this, all this lip crayons. This all are basically the lip crayons. Okay, because lipstick pencil, it is kind of a lip crayon, so you can compare only with lip crayons. You cannot compare basically with anything. Of course, even if I'm comparing with this also, I'm doing injustice to this, because this is 299 rupees, so very affordable, and the net content what you are getting is 2.1 gram. Okay, so but then just for our satisfaction and just to make it very clear, I'm just comparing it. Okay, so what we will do is we will just, this is like, I will just swatch it here. Of course, I can say this is very buttery. When you apply, it is very buttery, very smooth. Okay, so this is the swatch of it. I will not apply on my lips because I've already applied and I don't want to remove the lipstick and all. But definitely, we can see here also the same thing comes. If it is smudging, that is, it is not transfer proof. If we like put some water and if it is getting faded, then definitely it is not water resistant as well. So we can check in that way. So this is the first, we will check it with other lip crayons. By the time this will just dry up. So this is the first thing. What we will do is we will just compare it with their own in-house other brand, Purple Brush. This is their purple lip crayon. Okay, you all must be aware of this particular lip crayon. Okay, so we will just keep it side by side. We will compare it with the rates and everything, because it is 299 and definitely I think this one is, I can tell you because yeah, in this you get in this you got 2.8 gram, and this is for 399 rupees. So 299, 399, 2.8 gram. And in this, what gram you get? I forgot. Let's just check up. 2.1 and 2.8. You all can see this is the first one, purple one. We will just keep it here only. This is the Maybelline Intense Crayon. This is thick, fatu. This is very teeny tiny. You all can see this is the Maybelline one. This is the Faces one. So I'm just comparing it, okay? No need like to go in depth or something. We are just comparing just for fun. This is the Faces Ultime Pro, their new range, that is Ultime Pro HD range. Definitely this all crayons are definitely very high. This is, I guess, once again, 749, 790, 749, 799. Maybelline one is, I think, 399. So all the crayons are basically costly. So if you compare cost wise, then definitely this is the Ultime Pro HD. This is the Stay Quirky. Right hand side is my Stay Quirky, right? Okay. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Ink Lip Crayon, which is just recent launch, not new launch, but recent launch. This is for ITS 550. Let me see if I'm not wrong. It is for 550. Yep. Oh, sorry, 599. 599. In this you get 1.2 gram, and in this also you get how many grams? I forgot. Again, I forgot. Why I'm forgetting? 2.1 gram. So if you compare it with Maybelline, this is definitely better. But this comes with the Om sharpener. You all must be aware. This comes, and this is actually retractable. So yeah, this is Maybelline. This is Stay Quirky. Doesn't come with sharpener. Just keep in mind that. This is the holy grail of lot of people. Sugar lip crayon, Stay Quirky lip crayon. But when you compare this, definitely this two you can compare as per the packaging, as per the shades and everything. Matlab, the bottom part shade coding and everything, right? So this is the sugar one. This is the Stay Quirky one. But if you compare the size, sugar one is bigger than the Stay Quirky one. I don't know how much gram you get in sugar one. I can just tell you how much gram you get. 2.8 gram. In sugar one you get 2.8 gram, in this 2.1 gram. So not at all a bad deal for Stay Quirky, because when you are comparing the price difference is huge. This is 299 MRP and this is 799 MRP. Okay, so during sale times you get buy one get one free as well. So 299, that is in 300 you get 2. So 150. And over here when you compare, I have seen sugar products on 1299, that is 1303 products. But still if you compare, if you calculate 433 rupees one, and this is 150. This comes with sharpener, this doesn't come with the sharpener. You can see this is, and now the last one. Of course you cannot compare this, but then I thought of comparing. Let's see how it goes. This is the main color bar. Okay, this is the Meta's Hell lip color, and this is the Stay Quirky. You all can see the size difference. Price difference also I'll tell you. Okay, this retails for, the color bar retails for 795 and 2.8 gram. 795, 2.8 gram. It comes in this kind of packaging. You all must have seen the review and all. That is why I have not reviewed. And this is with the sharpener. This is the sharpener what you are getting with this. Okay. In any case, if you want any particular lipstick review, individual review, or like whatever I have shown you, if you want any particular review, definitely you all can do let me know in the comment section. I'll be making a separate review. But I thought these products are basically a little bit older, so I have not made any separate review. So as per me, if you ask me, only one downfall is it doesn't come with the sharpener. Okay, that is first drawback. The second drawback is they have lot of nudes in that. Like if a person, lipstick junkie who's like me, who likes dark color, you all must have seen my collection. See, you all can see all the colors are dark colors. Okay, so I have basically very nude, little collection of nude lipsticks. Of course, in nudes also I have all the browns. Very few. I never apply pink lipstick. If you are a regular follower of me, then you all must have seen my one video in which I said Pinky Pinky. Everybody will call me Pinky Pinky, and I don't like me to be called as Pinky Pinky. That is why I always go for mauves, I go for browns, I go for that kind of shades. So So if you ask me, only there are two drawbacks. It doesn't come with a sharpener, and the shade range is little bit limited. If they extend little bit more and all, definitely you can give it a shot. And third drawback, you have to sharpen it. That is also because some people, they do feel कि if you sharpen the lipstick, then they like you are wasting the product. But if you ask me, as per me, you are not. You are wasting the product, but when you sharpen it, you get the fresh product from inside. So like you all can see how buttery it looks, very smooth and buttery on the hands. We will just check now the smudge proof test. See, my hands are blank, I don't have anything. We will just check whether it is smudging or no. Yes dear, it is smudging. So definitely not transfer proof. If you apply, I think this will stay put on your lips for 3 to 4 hours easily. But between that, if you eat something, you have to reapply. But reapplication is also very easy. It's not like any other liquid lipstick that you have to remove the full and then you have to reapply. No, it's not like that. So this is also, you can say, if this is smudging also, there is one positive side of that also. Now we will see I will just keep this finger aside. We will check the waterproof test, whether, of course, it will. I'll just take some water. I'll just dip my fingers in water and we will check. No, it is getting smudged. So it is not even water resistant. You all can see. It comes on my hands. This, you forget this. It comes on my hand. It is like getting spread all over. So this is not even water resistant. So I have actually given you each and every point, plus I have compared this with all other. If you ask me my personal suggestion, I will definitely ask you, if you get it during sale times and if you get on good offers, definitely go for it. But keep in mind, it is not matte. It is not at all matte. It gives you creamy finish, and it doesn't come with the sharpener. Shade range, check the shade range and then order, and you have to sharpen it. I think I've covered each and every point. Still, if you have anything to ask me, definitely do let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any other video request, that also you can specify in the comment section. And the most important part, if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, then give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And that's it for today's video. I'm wrapping up for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.